How to fix data transfer cancelled on iPhone. If you are trying to transfer all of your data from your old iPhone to new one, but you are not able to do it due to the pop-up of data transfer cancelled, then this video is for you. To solve it, first of all, you have to check if your battery is above 50% in both of your phone. Once you check the battery percentage, the other thing you need to check is if your Bluetooth is toggled on or not. Make sure that Bluetooth is turned on while transferring data from your old iPhone to new one. It should be toggled on the whole time. After checking both of this, launch your settings on your device. Then go to the general and check for software update in both of your phone. If you see update now button, then simply hit on that and update your system. Once you do that, you have to force restart your device in your old iPhone. For that, simply press the volume up button, then volume down button and keep pressing the side button until you see black screen with the Apple logo. But you have to be really quick with these 3 steps. Once you do all of this, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.